Okay, so level 8, we want to compose a third part, which I've already done, and show development of all original parts. So the sample isn't an original part, so that's why I looped that, because I'm absolutely fine to do that. So now I want to go through and do some development. So firstly, drums. So the easy thing to do is maybe from bar 5 add hi-hats. I can either add them in here, or what I'm going to do is actually add a separate drum track just to focus on hi-hats. So go to drums, drum pads. Probably should use the same. Why not use something different? It doesn't have to be the same kit. Okay, so I'm going to record some hi-hats from bar 5. And that's fine. Okay. It should be quantized, it should be 1 bar. One bar. There you go. I'm going to loop my hi-hats. I'm also going to move the track, if I can remember how to do that. Can't remember how to do that right now. I should be able to move it up. But anyway, so my hi-hats are there from level 5. Also, here, I'm going to have a little drum fill. So I've got boom. So bar 7, boom, boom, t, boom, 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 t, boom, boom. I'm going to add some extra snares in there to make a sort of drum fill. So let's have a listen to what that does. Okay, every 4 bars, 4th bar I want to have a fill. So in bar 12, have another fill there, in that 4th bar. Okay, I want to loop this more. And then 4th bar again, so bar 16 will be my 4th bar again. Maybe add some toms this time. That's a nice one. I should use toms more often. Okay, so that's that. Chords. How can I develop my chords? I can make them broken chords. I could make like an arpeggio. I could change the chords, change the frequency of the chords. What I'm going to do when the bass comes, I'm going to change the chords, how they're played. I'm going to change them to like some sort of broken chord. So for this, I'm probably going to want to experiment. So let me loop and get my chords up. Oh, that is tricky. If it's not a proper keyboard, it's not, because I'm not doing something natural. Feels more like I'm playing a game than I'm playing an instrument sometimes, but you have to make do. Okay, let me try and record that. 2, 3, 4. Not bad. I know there's some mistakes in there, but not too many. Okay, let's find those mistakes. So we've got boom, 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 boom. Okay, here. Boom, boom. That looks early. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no, that looks mostly fine. Let's have a listen. Okay, cool. So I've developed my drums and I've developed my chords. Now my melody I need to develop. So what I'm thought of for the melody, in the previous couple of tasks you've had last time and before Christmas, I've shown lots of different ways that we've developed melodies. So what I'm going to do with this one is do subtraction. So as a kind of intro. So dun 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 dun. Gonna delete some notes. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Let's have a listen to this. Okay, so I've just taken away some notes. So let's listen to that. Cool, and then the main one comes in. Now the bass, it only kind of plays twice, and I've got my 16 bars. And I don't believe I've actually asked for any more than 16 bars, so we don't need to make more work than we need to. So rather than looping our bass, let's do something different the second time. With instruments like the bass and like chords, I like to have the same rhythm. So I'm going to copy and paste first. And then let's see what we can do different with the notes. We can maybe go up to F. Okay, so let's listen to that. Yeah, cool. And the last thing I'm going to do is I might actually copy those last 4 bars so they play twice, just so it's cool. Anyway, so this will get you a level 9 if you've done a bit of variation, a bit of development on all the original parts. So some sort of changes on all the parts except for the sample. Okay, there we go.